once again, thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor in New York. This time I have a Bernina 535. This is one of the latest Bernina. Great machine, just love it. I truly believe that this is one of the best Bernina ever made. You know, I like the way they have come up with this new system on the hook, on the bobbin case and everything. You know, I love it. It's just a great machine. This one, actually, the customer brought it in because, you know, a lot of thread got cut in the back of the hook, as you can see right here. So that caused the machine to stop picking up the thread. The customer thought that the machine was out of timing. This machine will be very, very difficult to lose the timing. Everything is so nice, well made, so well constructed that mostly 99% of the time the timing will not go off. Brand new machine, just about 2 months old. The customer brought it into me because the timing was off. But actually what happened is the thread is stuck in the back of this hook here. Customer did not sew it and thought that the machine was damaged because it's not picking up the thread, but actually was just that. Now, once I put everything back together, the machine should be fine. So, like I said to you guys before, when you have a machine with you, you know, the first thing you do is having an issue with the machine, change the needle. The needle is the most important part of the machine when you're working on any type of material. So, needle first, try it. Check your bobbin case that it's good. Make sure that no thread is stuck on the back, because this pile of thread on the back is going to cause the machine to get stuck, and you don't want that. Very easy fix, very, very easy to take care of it. Nothing major, nothing damaged, just the customer thought that the machine was out of timing. I'm going to put everything back together, put a little bit of drop of oil in there, and everything should be 100% perfectly fine. This is the Sewing Doctor in New York, bringing you a new tip on these machines. Take the bobbin case out. Look behind the bobbin case. Once you have a piece of thread like that in the bobbin case, the machine will not pick up the thread because the thread has to go to the back of the hook timing, pull out the thread. With this junk of piece of thread on the back, is not going to allow it to do it, and the machine is going to show you more likely that the timing is off, but it is not. So this is the actually bobbin case holder. On the back of it, you could see inside here, once I pull that off, it popped right off, and you could see now, if I put everything back together, the machine should be working 100%. Nothing major, nothing to worry about it. Love the way this machine were built with a new bobbin case holder, a new bobbin case right here with a nice cleaning timing on it. Everything looks good. So I'm going to put everything back together, and the machine should be working perfectly fine. Here's the machine now working 100% fine. Let me select the zigzag on it so you could see working on a zigzag also. Yeah, so the machine is working perfectly fine. Like I said before, unfortunately, the customer thought that the machine was damaged because I got that piece of thread back stuck in the back of the bobbin case, but nothing happens, you know. That's why I said every time I make a videos, I recommend you to, before you take the machine to the tech department, make sure you open it and see what it is. You're not going to hurt anything by opening these, taking the bobbin case out. And this is a flip. You flip that out, we'll pop it off, and then you check the back of it. Nothing major. I'm not charging the customer anything because they just bought it about 2 months ago. And, you know, we also offer guarantee to our machines. People buy it from us, we give you the guarantee. Nice clean stitch. Look at that. Machine is now, it's finished. As I said before, everything, it's fine. No problem, nothing. Just a little bit of a, maybe the customer got scared. It's fine. You know, it's an expensive machine. You definitely don't want to go inside and play with it. But if the customer would have called me and let me know what's happening, I would have told her, hey, just open up the case and check before you bring it over. The Sewing Doctor again. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye again.